Hype token just skyrocketed 300% in 2 months. Want to get in before the next pump? Here are 3 easy methods to buy Hype right now. Method 1, buy on KuCoin, the easiest way. Create a free KuCoin account. Enable 2-factor authentication for security. Deposit USDT via card, bank transfer, or crypto. Search for Hype/USDT and buy instantly. Pro tip, use limit orders to avoid price slippage. Method 2, buy via Trust Wallet, the DeFi method. Download and set up Trust Wallet. Get USDC on the Arbitrum network. Connect to Hyperliquid.xyz via the dApp browser. Trade USDC for Hype. Bonus, you can stake Hype for passive income. Method 3, the advanced bridge method. Visit RocketX exchange. Bridge from Ethereum or Arbitrum to Hyper EVM. Swap your assets for Hype tokens. Why? Hyper EVM offers gas-free trading. Boom, you are now a Hype holder. Which method worked best for you? Let me know in the comments. And do not forget, you can stake Hype for up to 15% APY.